Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step process to get your Ghana virtual number from KrispCall. You can use Ghana's virtual phone number for OTP, SMS, and call verification for WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber, and more. To purchase a Ghanaian phone number on KrispCall, visit krispcall.com and either create an account or log in. Go to My Numbers by clicking the plus icon or accessing it through Settings. Choose Purchase New Number. Select Ghana from the list of countries. Click Buy Number after selecting your desired number type. Assign a name to your chosen number and add it to your cart. You must submit the necessary documents and information for purchasing a phone number for Ghana. Confirm your purchase by clicking Confirm Purchase. Once you have your Ghanaian phone number, you can start making calls based on the purchased number types. Get 100+ international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced features like Unified Callbox, global calling, text messages, voicemail, multi-level IVR, call analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.